What's up guys, what you're looking at is the real live Google Pixel 4 hands-on leak. Apparently this is coming from a career engineer who was testing out the Pixel 4 and just leaked it. Thank you man for this actual Pixel 4 leak, following all the recent rumors. Full forehead, smaller chin and square-shaped camera system on the back, which has dual cameras for the first time in a Pixel device. The secondary camera is said to be a 16 megapixel telephoto camera along with an updated and improved 12 megapixel main camera. Now in this Pixel 4, Google completely ditched the signature design of Pixel, which is the dual tone color. So in this Pixel 4 series, we have just single glossy colors, and especially this model has just black color with extended white colored power button. And towards the front, we have this huge top design, which is obviously not that much good compared to the competition right now in 2019. But you know what's interesting is that it has 90 Hz of refresh rate, both in Pixel 4 and 4 XL, which is just incredible. But this forehead is not useless. It has 3D scanners for 3D facial recognition, along with a solid radar chip for motion gestures. You'll be able to control a lot of functions with this new tech called Solely. Also, as you can see in the lock screen here, indicating that it is indeed having a 3D Face ID, and on the bottom here is a really small chin, along with the much improved navigation bars of Android 10, and 90 Hz refresh rate also helps for smooth gesture swiping. Also, Google has officially confirmed the codenames for upcoming Pixel devices, and there are 3 codenames in iOS P, which are Coral, Flame and Needlefish. So this third codename might be the Pixel Watch, because in the meantime Google has also filed a trademark application for the Pixel Watch, which has a camera inside the display. And as you know, Google was preparing their Solely radar chip especially for a smartwatch, and now Solely is ready, so maybe it's a perfect time for Google to come up with their smartwatch. But again, Pixel Watch is just a rumor at this point, don't take it too seriously. If there will be more news on that, then I'll definitely update you. So yeah, subscribe for that, and why not support this channel to like this video, it would really be appreciated. And yeah, see you soon.